going to the mall today.
Oh, that sounds fun. What are you going to do there?
I'm going to meet my friends and maybe see a movie.
With your ass Alice, if she was going to the mall with her friends? Yes, we will watch a movie and eat as being in at the mall.
Mom! Dad said we can go to the mall this weekend.
The mall, really? Yes, Alex, your sister is very excited. I thought we were going to the park.
The mall is better.
Oh, I want to come too. Of course you can join us, Alex.
Yay! The mall with all of us will be.
We can get ice cream and play games.
No, Alex. Not today.
Why not? I really want to go.
We already have plans for today. Maybe tomorrow. Why not?
Great! Let's go!
I'm coming too.
Mom, I have the best idea for this weekend.
Oh, what is it?
Campings! We can hike and roast marshmallows.
Camping?
Bored? No way! It'll be so much fun! See? It'll be amazing with all the hiking and exploring. I will not get bored.
All right, you two seem pretty sure about this. We are going to the shops.
It will be fun. Wow, this place is big!
It looks amazing.
Stay close to me.
Look at these clothes. This is so pretty. Oh. Just looking, okay? Nice shoes. It smells so good. Maybe food first? Later. Wow, games! This is my place! Stay close.
Wait here. Okay, got it.
Everything okay?
Yeah, just need to wait. Stay with me?
Sure.
Don't move. Don't move? Okay, we're staying put.
Wait, what's going on?
Don't move. Got it, we won't move. Okay, I'm stopped. What now? Don't move. Wow. This place is incredible. Look at all the colors.
And so many to choose from. This is the best. Let's get this blue teddy bear. Just 1 minute. So many toys. Alex? Where are you? Alex!
I am lost.
Are you okay?
I lost my brother.
Don't worry.
But I'm lost.
It's all right. I'll help you find your way.
Okay, thank you. This way.
We will call him. Hello, this is mall security. I'm here with a young girl who got separated. Can we get her parent on the line? Hello, sir. This is mall security. I have your daughter here safe and sound. Where is she? We're in the main corridor near the central fountain. She's right here and doing fine.
I am coming!
Hey, what's wrong?
I was scared.
Come here. Okay.
Thank you. Anytime.
You are safe now. On that full rake. Stay close next time. Let's get ice cream!
Yes, I love ice cream.
This place looks great!
So good.
Told you.
Past the ad.
Yes, please. Best idea ever.
This is perfect.
This is yummy.
Totally, so good.
Now I feel better.
Me too.
This ice cream is the best.
Yeah, let's walk around.
Today was special.
It really was. Subscribe to Ella Daily English.